What up guys, Chibs here. I will be giving you a basic tutting combo tutorial. Before we start learning this basic combo, I want to share you things about tutting. So first of all, tutting is based on angular movements. So that's why you can see a lot of geometry in the movement. Making shapes, making lines, boxes, triangles, diamonds, you name it. You can make all of that also in tutting. And tutting is also inspired by ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs, and it is also referred as the king tut. Yeah, those things that you see over there. Tips that I'll be sharing you about tutting. So first of all is to be relaxed. Do not strain yourself while doing combos. Next up, learn how to take your time while tutting. This will be giving you more borders of tutting, so you have to be patient while creating and discovering more about your stuff. And another thing, which is the most important, is practice. Practice your forms at all times. It will be giving you the best presentability, muscle memory, and the conciseness of the movement. Right, we'll be starting off this basic combo with the starting pose, since this is almost the most common thing that most beginner tutters do, so it would be nice to start off with this. So first off, this pose, then make a box. So in this form, you need to make sure that you're making like a 90 degrees on this part, and just relax. Don't make it too tense. Same on this part. And I know in this one it's gonna hurt because not everyone has that flexibility yet, but it would be great if you keep stretching. So first off, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There, that's the first 4 counts. So you need to take your time here. Alright, so it's on a fixed point. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now after that, we will turn it the other way. Move it here, then it goes down, then other side. Alright, again, let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next to that, we're gonna be opening up 8, 7, 6, then 5. Open up. Now you're making a rectangle. Then 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's start all over again. So we start with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So on this part, you just need to put this point here. Then make that 90-degree line on this end. Same with this one. Now transfer, like as if there is a fixed point in this area. Boom. There we go. Now we push it forward on this end. Down. Boom. Then turn it over. Now open it up here. Up we go. Then open. We made a rectangle. After making a rectangle, this transition goes like from close but goes forward. So it goes forward. Then keep your hands on the point. There we go. So from here, after we open up, forward, and boom. And let's go. Then we close it up, bring it up, then close. Okay, so the counting goes like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's take it piece by piece for a moment. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you have it. A basic tutting set that you can do, or a basic combo. Okay, so we will be doing the combo with chill music because it helps you relax, it helps you take time with what you do, and it helps you enjoy what you're making. So I have a song here, it's called JD of the Ummah, On The One. It's one of my favorite songs after all. Right, let's play it, then let's go join together and make the combo. Alright, prepare your pose. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There, that's the slow variation. But if we will make it fast, it goes progressive. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There, that's another kind of speed variation that you can do with the combo. Thank you so much guys for learning this basic combo, and I hope you had fun doing those basic geometry and playing with the speed of this combo. You guys are doing great, super great. Make sure you like and subscribe for more upcoming content that I will make soon, and leave a comment down below on how you think of this basic combo. Always stay safe, be positive, and have fun. See you next time.